In this video, you will learn how to make a job posting or edit a job post on our WordPress website. Let's get started. Now on your dashboard, you should have job openings as part of your menu. This is a plugin we use to post the jobs so that it's separate from the posts that we would make on our webpage for content. So if you hover over job openings, you can click on it or you can hover. If you want to make a new job opening, you could select new opening. Or if you want to see the current list of the jobs we've posted, you could just go to job openings. So here, as you can see, we currently have 2 posts. Tasting department intern is currently made private because we don't want people to see it for the time being. We have currently hiring a membership services manager, so this is a post that it's live and viewable on our website. But say we want to make a new one. We want to go back to the menu over here, select new opening. Now here, as you can see, the layout is similar to what you see when you make a new post. The only difference is that on the bottom here, you have the job specifications, you have the category, which is full-time or part-time. Job category, I guess it would be like what field, say marketing, editorial, art department, tasting department, so on and so forth. The job type would be full-time or part-time or internship. The job location, pretty self-explanatory, would be New York or Los Angeles. Experience would be the amount of years you want your applicant to have. And then you have your contact person, the contact email, and the pay. Just know that you don't have to fill out every single one of these fields in order to post. These are just kind of recommended. So obviously, the more information that you give to your applicant, the higher of a chance that they may apply. So let's just say we're looking for marketing. It'll make a little category tag over here, job type. We already have full-time, internship, part-time, or freelance. Let's say we want a part-timer in the marketing department. The job location would either be Los Angeles or New York. Let's say New York, for example. Years of experience, let's say like 2+ years. So make note of whatever you type in here. WordPress will actually save it as as an option for future posts. The contact person would be anybody that you see on this list. There are some former employees here. You don't have to select them. I'm not 100% sure whether or not we can remove them, but if they can remove them, that would be the administrator's job, as they have permissions to pretty much do everything on the site. Same thing with email. Once you type it in, the plugin will log it in as kind of like a repeating field. From here, you could just write like marketing intern. And in the body copy of the job posting, you'll write, the job descriptors, what he or she will be doing for whomever. Basically, the actual job posting. So after you finish, after you've put in your post and everything, you can either hit publish or you can save it as a draft in case you want anybody to look it over to make sure it's good to go. And that's basically it. This is how you make a job posting.